everyone, in this video we're going to be learning how to play the song Running Up That Hill by Kate Bush. In this video we're going to be focusing on the chorus section of the song. If you'd like to learn the rest of the song, just let us know in the comments and we'll prepare a video for you also. So this song uses three chord shapes. It uses A flat major, B flat major and C minor. These are slightly rarer chords to find on the ukulele, so it makes it a really good song to learn to try and get your fingers around these chord shapes. So if you haven't learnt these chords before, then check out our videos on the A flat major chord, B flat major chord and the C minor chord to get you started. So for the first chord shape, the A flat major, we're going to use our G chord shape, so frets 2 and 3, and we're going to move that up to frets 3 and 4. So that gives us fret 3 on the C string, fret 4 on the E string, and fret 3 on the A string. Just on our 3 strings here with the strum. What we're going to do next to make B flat is we're going to drag it up 2 more frets. Just playing the 3 strings. So far we have A flat major, B flat major. Then we make our C minor by barring the first finger across the 3rd fret on the C string, the E string and the A string. I'm also playing the open G there as well. So we have open 3, 3, 3. I find it really useful to pick these chords with my fingers because we're not always using all 4 strings. So a strum can be a little bit inaccurate at times. So we're going to start off with our A flat here, and I'm using my thumb, my first finger and my middle finger. So my thumb's pushing down, my first finger's underneath and my middle finger's underneath. You sort of pull at the strings and that gives you your chord sound. Do the same thing when we go to our B flat major. When we go to our C minor, we're pretty much doing the same thing, but we're moving our fingers, so we're introducing the 3rd finger here as well, because we're now covering 4 strings. So the thumb is covering G, first finger's tucked under C, middle one is tucked under E, and the 3rd one is tucked under A. So when you put those chords together, it gives you the sequence for the chorus of the song. So we're going from A flat major, B flat major, C minor, and then C minor again. And that whole sequence just loops around. A flat major, B flat major, C minor, C minor. So there are a few other chords which appear in the song, but just practicing this chorus progression is a really good way to get started. So as I said earlier, let us know if you'd like to learn the rest of the song in the comments and we'll prepare that for you. Thank you for listening. We really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about the ukulele, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. You can also take the next step on your ukulele quest with our fun method book. The Ukulele Quest is available worldwide and you can find a link to this in the description below.